Hello, good morning. Don Martin again, thereasonablerealtor.com, thereasonablerealtor.com. Uh, just bringing your attention to a subject that I am totally jazzed about. This article today is on paying off debt. Yes, I'm a real estate guy, and I'm encouraging you the highest and best use of your money is to retire debt, pay off your debt. As usual, down here is a place for you to make a comment. Down here is the address to the article that I'd love for you to read. Over here is a red square I would love for you to tap and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Down below in a couple of days, there will be another link to a longer YouTube version of this article. There's a lot to learn here and a lot of stuff that is going to really tickle you. You're going to enjoy it. Listen to this video to the end. It's less than a minute. And I thank you. We'll talk to you later.